This video will demonstrate how to create a 3-foot by 5-foot shower stall with barrier-free accessibility on a wood subfloor using a full-length Goof-proof linear drain and using Goof-proof sheet membrane to waterproof. Applied liquid membranes can also be used as waterproofing, but are generally considered for concrete subfloors only. For all barrier-free showers, the Goof-proof linear drain must be recessed into the subfloor in both wood and concrete applications. Choose the length of drain needed to span wall to wall at the shower entrance. Stud walls may need to be shimmed or built out, modifying the size of the shower area to better fit the drain. Glue all corresponding pieces together with Goof-proof multi-purpose solvent cement. Mark the drain position and cut out the subfloor. Opening measurement is 5 3/8 inches wide by the drain length chosen minus 3/4 of an inch on each end for overhang support. Any floor joists within 8 inches of the drain outlet may need to be notched or repositioned to accommodate the slope of the drain trough. Test to check fit. Support main drain stabilizers with 2x4s bridging the cutout and mounted to the underside of the subfloor. 1/4 inch thick spacers are required in this installation, additionally lowering the main drain stabilizers. This will recess the drain to the correct height for the incoming 1/2 inch thick subfloor underlayment that's beyond the drain and shower floor area. Trough ends must also be supported, and the drain is to maintain a level position. Test fit in place before connecting to waste pipe. Screw or staple down paper-backed wire lath for wood subfloor applications only. Lath is not used on concrete. Using Goof-proof multi-purpose solvent cement, glue the supplied coupling onto the waste pipe. Install the drain by gluing it to the coupling. Install wall boards. Tape and mud joints. Pre-pitch is used for all thin, modified mud bed method installations. Cut thin end of pre-pitch to match the drain edge height and attach to subfloor with the supplied screws. Use pre-pitch extended sticks if necessary. Cover the drain openings with tape to keep clean. Fill thoroughly with a high solids modified type mud mixture. Screed mud to the top of the sticks and allow to set. Remove the protective tape from the drain. Dry position the full-length Goof-proof sheet membrane cutout around drain trough. Mark the material perimeter, then set aside. For all other drain sizes other than full length, cut membrane and insert strip accordingly. Maintain a 2-inch overlap where the two membranes join. While keeping the trough clean, spread mortar on the dried mud bed and up the end walls, but not on the black drain. Using the supplied GPS-2000 Multipurpose Sealant Cartridge tube, apply a small bead of adhesive around the outermost edge of the drain surface to minimize any ooze out from under the membrane, potentially entering the drain slot opening. Carefully reposition sheet cutout and press the membrane into both the sealant and mortar, minimizing any trapped air. Cover the remainder of the floor with the membrane, adding 4 inches up the walls. Attach inside and outside corners using GPS-2000 wherever needed. Cover all the walls to waterproof thoroughly, starting from the bottom up. Always overlap sheets by at least 2 inches. Attach mixing valve and shower head arm seals to complete the waterproof installation. Lift out the drain insert. Wipe clean and apply GPS-2000 to the surface that will be tiled. Carefully and in a controlled manner, spread an even coat on the flat surface only with the supplied 1/16" disposable spreader. Wipe off any sealant from the sides of the insert immediately. Return insert into drain body. Center and press membrane onto the insert and allow to cure before tiling.